Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to Madam Nur Ain Ayuni, Binti Sabri and all my friends. My name is Ahmad Syukri bin Mayudin. My metric number is A19A0408. I come from TV Group 1 channel. Today, we would like to talk about Assignment Business Statistics AFT2103. Now, I will present an introduction. What is statistics? Statistics means that when a branch of mathematics used to summarize, analyze, and interpret a group of numbers or observations. After that, the objective of this study from our group is to identify the sources of data such as type of data and type of variable. Before we continue to find more information in the data, we need to find our own related secondary data set to make the arrangement data for our group. At the same time, we need to find the value of measures of central tendency, measures of variation, and measures of position. In this task, we should use the SPSS to show the best result from sources in our group. We will analyze and interpret the data by using the ANOVA, analysis, multiple regression, confidence interval, and person correlation. So, the topic from this assignment that we choose is the total number sales of cars in 2016, 2017, and 2018. Now, I will present a data arrangement that our group got. In this situation, we need to find at least 30 samples to make the best data arrangement. From this table, we can see the total number of car sales. We find 10 types of cars. At the same time, we divide into 3 categories, which are annual sales in 2016, 2017, and 2018. So, the total from all samples is 30 that we got. From this data, it will show the classes of intervals of entries in each data, such as the frequency. After we find 30 samples of data, we decide on the number of classes. So, the recommended number of classes is 5. Next, we determine the class interval, or we call the width. The class width for this table is 254. After that, we set the individual class limits. We can see at the table that we provide. At the same time, we find the relative frequency of the portion or percentage of data that falls in the class. Lastly, the cumulative frequency of a class is the sum of the frequency for that class and all previous classes. At the same time, the cumulative frequency of the last class is equal to sample size, which is n. We can see at the table that we provide.
My name is MIRZA MUAZZAM bin ZULKIFLI. I'm going to tell about graphic mentor. We use bar chart to present total number sales of car in 2060, 2070, and 2080. In y-axis, we use type of car, and x-axis, sale of car. The type of car Lexus got higher number sale of car in 2060, 2070, and 2080. Meanwhile, Bison got lowest number sale of car in 2060, 2070, and 2080.
Hi, my name is Qing. Now, I want to talk about 3 mentions of central tendency for the data of statistic report of total number sales of car in 2016, 2017, and 2018, which are mean, median, and mode. A mentioned central tendency is a value that represents the center of distribution. The result for mentions of central tendency using manual method and using SPSS method is showing different results. First, mean is the sum of data entry divided by number of entry. Through the report, when using manual method, the mean of the number sales of car is 573.58. When using SPSS method, the mean of the number cells of car is 549.37. For median, median is the value that lie in the middle of the data when the data set is ordered. For using random method, the median for the number cells of car is 514.30. When using SPSS method, the result show that the median for the number cells of car is 466.50. Besides, mode is the data entry that occurs with the gradient frequency. When using random method, the result show that the mode of number cells of car is 400 units. When using SPSS method, the mode of number cells of car is 953 units. So, these are the three mentions of central tendency for the statistic report of total number cells of car in 2016, 2017, and 2018.
Good morning, madam. My name is Nancy Kongkameng, and I will explain about measure of position and measure of variation. Measure of position is to determine the measurement of position, and the data must be slotted from lowest to highest. The different measures of position are quarters, theta's, and percentile. Inside a quarters, divide the data set into 4 equal groups that are first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and interquarter range. Inside my assignment, I use first quarter, third quarter, and interquarter range. In manual method, first quarter I get 320.625, third quarter I get 876.25, and interquarter range is 555.625. Compare with SPSS method, first quarter I get 243, and third quarter is 901.25. Besides measure of variation is some parameter to describe the amount of variation between random variable. Three parameters that are used to quantify the amount of variation in a set of random variables are range, variance, and standard deviation. Range are different between maximum and minimum data entry in the set. Next, variance. The variance of a random variable can be defined as population variance and sample variance. Besides, standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Compare with manual method and SPSS method, the results show that both have same result for range, that is 1270 units, but different result for sample variance and standard deviation. For sample variance, manual method get 29,827.45, while SPSS get 113199.068. For standard deviation, manual method get 172.706, while SPSS method get 336.45.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin YUSUF, and first I want to present about shape of the data distribution. Okay, for our shape of data distribution, we get non-symmetric, that is skew to the right. Next, I will present about interpretation data, manual and SPSS. For the measure of central tendency and measure of position, we get different result using manual method and SPSS. For measure of variance, we get different result for sample variance and standard deviation, but we get same result for range, that is 1270. For shape of data distribution, using manual method, we get a skew to the right, but we get a skew to the left using SPSS. Okay, lastly, I will present about analysis and interpret data. Okay, for model summary, R square is 0.629, which means 62.9% of variation in population can be explained by year of total number sale of car in 2016, 2017 and 2018. And the adjusted square is 0.443 or 44.3%. For the ANOVA analysis, the p-value from ANOVA table is more than 0.05. That means more than one of three variables 2016, 2017 and 2018 can be used to model BP. Okay, for confession, based on standardized beta confession, effect of total number sale of car in 2016 that is negative 1.580, almost 3 times. In 2018 that is negative 1.135. The p-value for only year 2018 is less than 0.05. Thus, the only year 2018 is the significant predictor of BP. For the test of normality, the Shapiro-Wilk test of normality on year 2016 and 2017 show that p-value is more than 0.05. Thus, the only year 2016 and 2017 assumption of normality is made. For the confidence interval, the results show that for year 2016, 95% confidence interval for mean is between 336.2331 to 906.569. For the 2070, 95% confidence interval is between 320.3826 to 698.2184. For the 2018, 95% confidence interval is between 262.0524 to 772.7476. For the correlation arc value between year 2016 and 2018 is 0.450. Year 2017 and 2018 is 0.686. So we can conclude that year 2017 is association both year 2016 and 2018. That's all for me. Thank you.
The conclusion. Results show that for the normal sale of car in year 2016 with 95% confidence interval for mean is between 336.2331 to 906.5669. For 2017 with 95% confidence interval for mean is between 320.3826 to 698.2184. For 2018 with 95% confidence interval for mean is between 262.0524 to 772.7476. The results show that R value between year 2016 and 2017 is 0.450 and year 2017 and year 2018 is 0.686. So we can conclude that year 2017 is association both year 2016 and 2018.